A great way to process several images and save them out as different file formats is by using the image processor script. While we can run this script from Photoshop by choosing File and then Scripts and Image Processor, I actually find it easier to start in Bridge. I'll use Command Tab, and then in Bridge, I can select whatever images I want to process. So here I have my choice of maybe only selecting these 4 out of 6 images. Then I'll choose Tools, Photoshop, and Image Processor. Photoshop knows that I only had 4 images selected in Bridge, so it's going to process those files. I want the script to save it in the same location, but I could choose a different folder. And then I have 3 different file types, JPEG, PSD, and TIFF that I can select from. I can do multiple file types at a time, so if I wanted to save these as JPEG with a quality of 10, convert the profile and resize them to fit. So let's say they're 600 pixels. And if I enter 600 pixels in both the width and height, then that will be the long dimension. So Photoshop's not going to squish the image, it's just going to fit it within a 600 by 600 pixel square. I can also save out as PSD files. I'll go ahead and choose to do so. It's going to keep them layered if they are layered documents. Again, I could choose to resize to fit, and I could also save out as TIFF files. As you get more advanced, if you create actions in order to automate your workflow, you can also choose to run an action on your images. For now, I'll just click Run, and you don't have to worry about Photoshop writing over any of your originals. If we return to Bridge, you can see that it made 2 separate folders, one for the JPEG files and another for the PSD files. So there you go, a fast and easy way to save multiple images as JPEG, TIFF, and PSD files using the image processor script.